In this village, not everyone rejoices when God blesses you.
Good morning, oh. Fine wrappers for sale. Strong cloths, good price. So she has money to buy plenty wrapper now. This one is beautiful. You have fine designs, madam. God, why are things so difficult for me? Anyway, let us see how long your joy will last. Madam, words are seeds. Be careful what you plant.
Envy never speaks quietly, and every word waits for its season. Be careful of envy. Some words don't fall, they wait. Galatians 6:7 says, "Whatever a man sows, that he will also reap."